This video will discuss about four stocks, fundamentally strong stocks, and these stocks are below rupees 100 rupees. And these four stocks I have already added in my portfolio. So let's see what are these four stocks, fundamentally stocks, जो कि 100 रुपीज़ के बिलो में आपको खरीदने के लिए अभी मिलेगा. ओके, तो लेट्स गो. So first stock is Suzlon India Limited, Suzlon Energy, and you can see the current price of this stock is 55 rupees only. Okay, and this is very good fundamental stocks because you can see this is energy related stocks, energy sector stocks. And Suzlon Energy at a time it was very low level price 14 rupees 20 rupees, and this is very old stock, old script stocks, and now it is trading at 55. So for long term perspective, if you want to hold it for long term, let's say for 5 years, it can give you a very good return, multifold return. So target price should be for 5 years 120. Okay, so Suzlon is from energy sector stocks and it is below 100. So this is the first stocks I have added in my portfolio. And first I want to state here that this video is not for any recommendations purpose. This is video is only for the educations and learning purpose. Okay, if you get any benefit from this video, I'll be very happy. But before you invest, before you buy any shares, please do research of yourself. These are just for education and learning purpose. I have added these four stocks, fundamentally stocks below rupees 100. That's why I am sharing my experience with my viewers. Thank you. So Suzlon Energy is the first stocks. Let's see the next stocks. Next stock is NHPC. Okay, so this is the another very good fundamental stocks, and you can see the current price of this stock is 73.74, not even 75. Okay, so below 75. And all these four stocks what which I'll be showing to you or below 100 rupees, which is very good because these are not very expensive, but at the same time these are very strong fundamentally because very good company, their management is very good, their businesses are very robust, and in future they can give you multifold return from these stocks. Okay, so NHPC is the second stocks, and it is a very good stocks to hold for long term perspective. Okay, let's move to third stock. It is a banking sector stocks. The stocks name is IDBI stocks, and the current price of this stock is 75 rupees 28 paisa. So this is another very good stocks. Now you can get it below 175 range, but if you hold for 5 years, it can give you multiple return, my friends. It can give you 200, it may reach 200 250 levels as well. Okay, so and if you see it is coming down, you can get it averaged and you can add it to your portfolio. So you can average, you can buy and buy below 70 to 75 level, and you can make it average price so that it will give you good return in future. So these are all long term benefit you will get if you hold it for long term. These shares will give you very good return because the price is very low, so that you can purchase in bulk. So many quantity if you purchase, there only you can get maximum benefit, because quantity, if the quantity is less, your profit amount will not be that much high. Okay, the price is low, the stocks price is low, so that you can buy in bulk, and your profit amount also will be very huge. But don't buy at a one shot. Whenever you see there is a fall in price, you can add and you can buy in average. Okay, so that your buying price is low, like 60 65 70. Okay, so long term perspective, these are very good stocks. Okay, so this is the third number stock. Let's see the four fundamental stocks which I have added recently in my portfolio. Yes, NMDC. Please note down these stock names. This stock is very good, fundamentally strong. The current price is 90 rupees 72 paisa. Okay, and you cannot get it below 100 rupees in another 2 to 3 months. Whenever the war situation will be faced, war situation gets improve, and the economic situation gets stabilized, these shares will be definitely will get rocket high. Okay, and you will not get below 100 rupees, my friend. So this is another very good fundamental stocks, NMDC Limited, and for next 3 to 5 years these shares can give you multiple returns, maybe 200 to 300 level this can reach, and this is very good for dividend also, my friend. Okay, so whenever you see there is a price fall of these stocks, you can buy it and you know make it in average price, so that your buying price is very low, and you can buy in very bulk and large quantity, but not again, don't buy it at a time one single shot, buy it in multiple phases, so that you can average out the price. And if you hold it for long term, 3 to 5 years, you can definitely get a good returns from this shares, these four fundamental strong shares, but the price is below 100. So that's what I thought of sharing with my viewers, and hopefully this video will be beneficial for you, for the new beginners in the stock market. And if you want to see this kind of informative and educative video, please subscribe my channel and like and be with us. Thanks for watching.